Looking for a weeknight winner? This easy and delicious beef ravioli with bacon and asparagus is a must try. Heat a large non-stick frying pan over medium-high heat. Add the bacon and cook stirring for 3 to 4 minutes or until crisp. Next, add the butter, asparagus, garlic, and cook stirring for 2 to 3 minutes or until the asparagus is just tender and the butter is a lovely nutty brown colour. Meanwhile, cook the pasta in a large saucepan of boiling water, following the packet instructions or until al dente. Reserve 1/4 cup of the cooking liquid, then drain well. Add the pasta, lemon juice, oil, and the reserved cooking liquid to the bacon mixture in the frying pan. Cook stirring for 2 minutes or until heated through. Sprinkle the pasta mixture with parmesan and basil. To finish, simply season with pepper before serving. Loaded with crispy bacon and asparagus, this tasty recipe is on the table in a flash.